Basil was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. The benefits of this nutrient, which comes to the kitchens by collecting all the beneficial components of the soil it is in, do not end with counting, and a new benefit is discovered every day. This plant, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed as a supplement in the right amount and time, is good for many metabolic problems. What are the benefits of basil consumption, when and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular basil consumption? Homocysteine is an amino acid measured in the blood. When this substance is high in the blood, it reddens the blood vessels and paves the way for heart diseases. Vitamin B9 in basil neutralizes excess homocysteine and protects vascular tissue, while antioxidants in its content help reduce the plaque formation in the vessels. It takes very important responsibilities for a healthy heart. At the same time, basil is very rich in minerals that have important functions, such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood. The blood sugar lowering effect of this food is due to the plant components it contains. Chlorogenic acid, especially in people with blood sugar imbalancing, glucose particles become unusable by forming inappropriate bonds with protein substance the body. The process is called glycation. Thanks to the substance in basil, it reduces the risk of glycation formation. On the other hand, basil is a good source of fiber, which helps digest food. With its high fiber content, it provides the nutrient of beneficial bacteria. Thanks to the plant components in the stem, it helps to neuralize the substance called Helicobacter pylori, which occurs in stomach problems such as gastritis. With its contribution to both the digestive system and blood sugar, it facilitates weight control when consumed with meals. This food, which contains high amounts of healthy fiber that promotes fat loss, prolongs the time of satiety, and prevents unnecessary calorie intake. For a healthier brain structure, basil contains rich amounts of vitamin B6, which play a vital role in our cognitive health. It also rich in magnesium, which has important effects on nervous system activators. These compounds increase the effectiveness of electrical signals to the brain. So, is there any harms in basil consumption? First of all, the content of basil has the property of cleansing the intestinal system, stomach, and digestive system. When consumed more than necessary, it affects our digestive system negatively. At the same time, basil is among the substance used by the health world. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with some medications. Consult your doctor before consuming basil regularly, especially if you have medications that you need to use continuously. So, how much basil should be consumed? It is very important to consume basil at regular intervals. Adding a pinch of basil to your diet every day will increase your health levels. In the light of this information, you can add basil to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay well, stay informed.